Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're brand new to the channel, my name's Josiah. I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. I'm a full-time investor, and I'm here to help you take your investing to the next level. So if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And give me a thumbs up. Share this video with some friends and family. This is about spreading the wealth, because I've made this statement before, and I truly believe that everyone can become a millionaire. Not everyone will, but everyone can, and it's not that hard of a process. It just requires actually having a plan. So let's talk about the market a little bit. I know I've been running around a lot lately. Haven't shot a lot of videos. I said the other day that, I was working on a food truck concept, and no, I got this question a couple of times. No, I'm not stopping investing to go run a food truck. I'm just financing a food truck. I had this idea. I think it's going to make money. I invest my money all over the place. I don't only invest in the stock market. I like investing into small businesses. I like investing into real estate. I like investing into as many things as I can, because it's all about getting that multiple streams of income coming into you. So never get yourself tied down to where you don't believe you can branch out. Doesn't matter how big a river you have coming into your lake. It's always good to have multiple streams of income, even if they're just small streams. So yes, I'm truly excited about that. I love food. I love cooking. So doing something like this is fun for me, but no, I do not run any of my businesses. I put other people in place to do that. That way I keep my mind free to come up with new ideas, new concepts, new things that I'm doing. All right, let's get into the market here. So we had a little bit of a down day yesterday. S&P down 0.55%, Dow Jones down by 0.41%, and the NASDAQ down by 0.63%. So we finally got a little bit of a pullback. We got the market just barely up this morning. We got the S&P up by 0.04% here in the pre-market at the time of shooting this video. And, everything's looking kind of flat. And that's sort of been what this week has been. We've had a little bit of a run-up. We get a little bit of a pullback. But nothing really taking off unless it's AI related. And we've talked a lot about AI and where that's kind of pushing the market. And could that, be a recession killer? I know there's some people out there saying it could. I think it's going to run up the price of a lot of these big tech companies a lot. But it's still hard to generate money when everyone out there is broke, when people aren't working. It's hard to generate money and say that the economy is growing. So I'm not sold on that yet. However, what I am starting to get sold on is Bitcoin. Now, if you've been following me, you know I've been waiting for Bitcoin to pull back. In fact, I predicted that it'd pull all the way back to the low $20,000 range. I thought we'd pull back, test around that $21,000 range, and that would be where I would load back up at. However, we have got some really strong consolidation around this $25,000 mark, and we're getting ever closer and closer to that halving event. And with that being said, I'm going to be running some charts. I'm going to be looking at some of the top cryptos that I believe you could pick up right now. Maybe shoot that video tomorrow, because I believe that there's some real gems out there. There's still some altcoins that is beat down near their all-time lows, even though Bitcoin's run up a little bit. And Bitcoin is still at a fantastic price for where we all believe this is going. So we're going to talk about that more. I'm going to do a video on that. But I am definitely kind of changing up my stance that we may have already seen. I already said that we'd seen the lows, but I was looking for a pullback around that 21, and we just have not got it. And like I said, we've gotten some really strong strength where we're at now, and so we could be looking at around that 25,000 as our floor for this accumulation phase. Get my thoughts together here. So today I'm just going to be watching, probably going to be rolling my UVXY secured puts and stuff today. Especially if we were to get a little bit of a run up, that'd be great. Go ahead and roll those, and then look to get a better price on them, maybe to sell them back tomorrow. But we'll see how it pans out. Be watching it real closely. I just wanted to kind of touch base, talk about it. Don't want anyone out there trading alone, not knowing what's going on. Right now, we're waiting on this market. It's being the market. So be careful too, because this market could pull back at any time. That's what I got for you. Until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.